Hi there! So you've just received the upcoming OnePlus Nord Buds 4. Now, Nord Buds have known to provide impressive audio with all the premium features, yet being very pocket friendly. Now, due to embargo restrictions, we can't talk everything, but we can show you the product, share some key features, which will surely help you decide if you should buy these or skip these. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the earbuds right here, OnePlus Nord Buds 4. Towards the back, you have some manufacturing details and the MRP actually has been cut off. So that's all that you get. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then we have the smiley sticker, really cute. Then we have the user manual, warranty details in English. And finally, 2 extra pair of ear tips of different sizes. Now, as you can see, there is no USB-C charging cable provided in the box, but I think that's fine. All right, let's have a closer look at the earbuds. And there you go. Oh wow, that looks really nice. So OnePlus calls this the astral teal color. This is kind of light green. It's a very nice eye-catchy color. Comes with matte finish, so it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. The build quality is really nice. Easily fits in your palm. It's really compact, so you can put it in your pocket as well. You can spot the OnePlus branding right on the top here. Below is the LED light. Further down here is the USB-C port to charge the earbuds, and right next to it is the pairing button, just in case you need to pair this with multiple devices. It's going to come really handy. Overall, the build quality is truly impressive. Very well built. Alright, let's open it up and see. Best part, let's see if you can open this up with one hand, and yes, very convenient, always handy. It's got a really nice and strong hinge. Wow, very premium. Inside you can spot both the earbuds. Let's quickly remove them and have a closer look. And here are the earbuds themselves. Wow, this astral teal color on the buds look even better, looks so premium. Comes with the buds and a stem design, which I think is very practical and fun to use. Each earbud weighs just 4.3 grams, so they should be comfortable to be worn for long hours as well. Then each earbud also comes with 3 microphones, which will help you for noise cancellation as well as for phone calls. Really nice. Very premium looking earbuds, I would say. Alright, let's talk about some key specifications. So they come with 12mm titanium coated drivers that provide pretty impressive sound quality. They also come with 52 decibels pro level active noise cancellation across an ultra wide 5000 Hz range, which basically means the audio clarity is well maintained while removing all the noise from the outside world. However, the best use case scenario for ANC would be to test it while traveling. That's something we shall test soon. Now, each earbud comes with 3 microphones, giving you a total of 6 mics that helps provide crystal clear vocals for phone calls. In fact, OnePlus claims that it should even be able to cancel out the wind noise up to 25 kilometers. That sounds very impressive. Then we also have ultra low latency mode, which is a boon for every gamer out there. And finally, 54 hours of battery life in total with the case. Wow, those numbers surely sound great. But we'll be testing more about it in the coming days, like gaming, ANC, phone calling, and of course the sound experience. So stay tuned for a full review. Expect these earbuds to be priced under 3,000 or maybe just 3,500. That's something we'll have to wait and watch. I'll mention the price and the purchase links in the description, and that I can do only after the launch, which is happening on 25th of June. So stay tuned. Now, if there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.